Welcome to Firma. Today we've got a very rare and very unique vehicle, a 1937 Auto Union DKW F7 convertible. This is a very rare car. This car has had a ground up restoration by its previous owner. As you can see, she presents very well. Nice color combination. Extremely rare to find a vehicle of this caliber or this make in this condition. Now available for sale at Firma Trading Classic Cars and Bikes. This is the Auto Union. As you can see, she presents very well. Let's have a walk around. Nice overall condition. Good paint overall, good seats, final interior, comes with a soft top and some side curtains over here. Presents in good condition overall. Currently showing 2532 miles on the clock. Let's start her up. Two-stroke motor, ready to drive away at Firma Trading Classic Cars and Bikes. Have a look at our website, firmaauto.com. Thank you very much.